In a world where environmental concerns are increasingly pressing, finding sustainable solutions to everyday challenges is crucial. One such solution lies in the simple yet powerful practice of composting. Composting at home not only reduces waste, but also transforms it into a valuable resource for enriching soil and promoting plant growth. In this video, we will guide you about composting and tell you how you can turn waste into gold in your home. Make sure you subscribe to Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. What is composting? Composting is the natural process of recycling organic matter, such as food scraps, yard waste, and other biodegradable materials, into nutrient-rich soil amendment known as compost. This process mimics nature's way of breaking down organic matter, utilizing microorganisms like bacteria and fungi to decompose the material into a nutrient-dense substance that can be used to improve soil health and support plant growth. The Guide to Composting at Home. Composting at home is a simple and rewarding practice that anyone can adopt, regardless of space constraints or gardening experience. By following a few key steps, you can effectively manage your organic waste and harness its potential to create nutrient-rich compost for your garden or household plants. Below, we outline a step-by-step guide to help you get started on your composting journey. Step number 1. Choose a composting method. The first step in composting at home is selecting a composting method that suits your space, lifestyle, and composting goals. There are several methods to choose from, including traditional compost bins, tumblers, vermiculture, worm composting, and even compost piles. Consider factors such as available space, time commitment, and desired composting speed when selecting the method that's right for you. Step number 2. Gather composting materials. Once you've chosen a composting method, gather the necessary materials to begin composting. These materials typically include a mix of greens, nitrogen-rich materials like fruit and vegetable scraps and grass clippings, and browns, carbon-rich materials like dried leaves, newspaper, and cardboard. Aim for a balance of both greens and browns to promote efficient decomposition and avoid unpleasant odors. Step number 3. Set up your composting system. With your materials gathered, it's time to set up your composting system. If using a compost bin or tumbler, place it in a convenient location with good airflow and drainage. If opting for vermiculture, prepare a suitable container or worm bin for your composting worms. Layer your composting materials, alternating between greens and browns, and ensure adequate moisture levels to support microbial activity. Step number 4. Maintain your compost pile. Composting is an ongoing process that requires regular maintenance to ensure optimal decomposition and compost quality. Turn or aerate your compost pile regularly to promote oxygen flow and accelerate decomposition.